Hello, long time no see. I have food to eat. It has been quite a while. Imagine if I hadn't been eating this entire time since my last video, those that follow me. So today, I've made a wrap, a very nice little healthy wrap. I really like Tropical Smoothie Cafe. However, I'm on a budget and I'm still going to get what I want. So let's go ahead and go into this already now. I hope you can see that there. Yeah, just so you can see, I went ahead and like toasted it, like it toasted and everything. This might be a little messy today. Don't know that we've done mess. Can we handle it? Let's get in on this. Yes. Delicious, delectable little tomatoes, a lot of romaine lettuce. I roasted some chicken breast, a little bit of light blue cheese dressing, and of course, let's not play. I might be adding more of that into this. So, just saying. I'm also, I drink these little ginger shots, turmeric shots. Really been doing that lately, so you get to watch that. I also have my tea. I still drink tea. I still work for PRMG if you need a mortgage anywhere in the United States, except for 2 states. I'll talk to you. But let's get into this. This looks delicious. My little tomatoes are falling out. I want all my tomatoes. That's really good. It needs more though. I don't like to put too much in it when I'm baking it, because then the wrap gets funky and falls apart. You know what's good when I dance? It's popping. Saucy. This is what it's all about. So yeah, eating on a budget. Eating good on a budget. I don't know why, unless there's like chicken and stuff packed to the ends, which there usually isn't if you're folding it up. I don't hate the ends, but I'll get that last piece of lettuce. My wrap is a little smaller than Tropical Smoothies, but it is so good. And they charge like what, $8 for a wrap. I buy the wraps and make the chicken, so for about maybe 11 bucks, I get to make like 6 or 8 wraps. You do the math. And come to play about this wrap. Let's get into the buffalo sauce. I do make a Thai wrap too. I like the, so I'm obsessed with their Thai wraps and their buffalo chicken wraps. That's a good wrap. I'm gonna get all that little extra sauce at the bottom. Maybe I will and eat the end of this one, because we got extra sauce. Here we go. Got a little bit. A little bit. Hats off to the chef. Hats off to the chef. Get the chef for me. Tell them how amazing this is. It's amazing. Why, thank you. Good food make me crazy. Don't look at me like that. Because, honey, what they don't know could hurt them. I marinated that chicken overnight with sesame marinade. I wouldn't think that'd go with buffalo. It's on point. It was really good. I need a little water. My nose is sweating. That's when it's really good. Bye. Hope you guys have a good lunch too.